Earth. We call it home, yet we only live on a fragment of it. The majority of our planet's surface is water, the ocean, vast, seemingly endless, matching its immeasurable strength. Life moves in a delicate balance, but occasionally, this harmony is shattered by forces that defy all logic. When the forces of nature collide, even the ocean's top predator, the shark, is powerless. The right conditions combined with the violent updraft of a tornado creates a vortex strong enough to lift these fearsome creatures into the skies. Once airborne, the sharks are at the mercy of the storm, but their primal instincts remain intact. Now, out of their natural habitat, the sharks are forced to adapt. Displaced from their environment, all the sharks know is eat or perish. Their need to hunt persists. That is, until they face their greatest predator on land, a madman with a chainsaw. Who will prevail through the storm? Follow us through this marvelous journey. Follow us into the Sharknado.